How you doing? Joe Pannone here. Thanks so much for downloading CWDash and filling out the survey and getting it. Hopefully by now you've tried to install it. I know you've got ConnectWise hosted in their cloud. You do need a separate product to have CWDash work, of course. And if you go to CWDash setup, you need something called Cloud Data Access, which was formerly called Cloud Connect. It's all right here on CWDash/setup. I know it's difficult, but it's a really good product, and it allows you to make reports and back up your own data. So, please take a look at it and get it. Again, as soon as you do, let me know. Let us know. I'd love to spend a couple minutes and walk, even a half hour, an hour, whatever you'd like, to walk through the application with you once you get Cloud Data Access and you get it installed. Thanks. Joe Pannone signing off here. Always contact me, joe@forza.com or sales@cwdash.com. Thanks so much.